Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and it is that time of the month where we get to open another witch casket. So let's get inside this one and find out what they've sent me this month. Okay, so straight away I am loving the purple colours. We can see that this is the Magic of the Night box, which is the July 2023 box. And we've got this lovely bat emblem here with the moon phases, and yeah, really loving the styling for this box. It is definitely up my alley. So I'm going to put this booklet to one side as always, and we will come back and look at it at the end, and we will explore what is in our casket this month. So, oh goodness, this is we are fully looking at some dark imagery here, in terms of colouring, not in terms of spookiness necessarily. So we can see we've got a full moon by a window, and that is just shedding some glow into a witch's workspace. I can see that we've got a candle in the window with some moths or perhaps fireflies around it, and then we've got these sort of stars within the room. It is incredibly dark as an art piece, but I really like it, and yeah, very nice indeed. And as we saw last month, if you watched the unboxing, they are now starting to put sort of a task or a prompt on the back of these art cards to, give us even more ways to use them. So this is a monthly manifestation. It says, what are my goals this month? What practical steps can I take to reach these goals? What magical steps can I take to reach these goals? And it says, the seeds that are planted are intentions that are set. I command my desires to be met. So really nice, lovely piece of original artwork. So we've got our little spell kit. You get a spell kit every month. This one is a Prophetic Dreams Candle Ritual Kit. Contains all you need to encourage prophetic dreams. So let's have a look. And again, as always, the theme carries on through everything. Okay, so we've got a purple spell candle. We've got, that smells like some chamomile. I don't know what that one is. Oh, St. John's wort. Okay, so we've got purple spell candle, chamomile, and St. John's wort. Take your candle and place it in a suitable holder. There are several that we've had in previous witch caskets that will be perfect for this. Remember to keep fire safety in mind. Circle your candle with a blend of the chamomile and St. John's wort. Light the candle and affirm, as I sleep, the truth be told, in my dreams it will unfold. The truth will become clear to me, as I will, so mote it be. As the candle burns, think about what it is that you'd like insight into. It is wise to keep a pen and paper by your bed so you can write down any insight and prophecies which come to you in your dreams. That is a really good tip just in general for when you're sleeping. I like to keep a notebook next to my bed, just in case, when I wake, I want to quickly jot down anything that has come to me from my dreams. And there's nothing worse than having to search about trying to find a pen and paper, only to find that that dream is eluding you by the time you come to write it down. So, lovely kit. Talking of keeping a note of your dreams, this beautiful purpley prettiness is a dream journal. It's got purple edged pages. Oh, love it. The bat end pages, and then inside space to write about your dream. What could this mean? What's it trying to tell me? Space to draw something, and then how it made you feel, and a space for the date. So that's going straight next to my bed. I really love it. Oh yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And there are so many pages in here. It's going to last a long, long time. Really, really lovely. We have got a bedtime witch's brew. Stir clockwise with intent and state the following. Magic brew, help me rest that I can wake feeling my best. Drink it mindfully, an enchanting blend of jasmine and chamomile. I love jasmine tea. That is very lovely. Again, every month we get a pin badge. This one fits perfectly with the theme of the box. I like that a lot. It's so cute. There's something really lovely about bats. They're so magical. Okay, let's do our scroll again, following through with the bat theme. Scrolls are another thing that you get every month. So let's have a look. This is Flowers in Dreams. Maybe you dream of running through a field of daisies, or perhaps you see a rose bush in your dreams, or maybe a vase of freshly cut tulips. Flowers can have great significance when they appear in dreams, and it's important to note their condition. Are they thriving or are they wilting? What colour are they? Are they cut? Are they still growing? Are they among other flowers or a single stem? Use your answers along with the meaning behind each flower to help you best interpret your dreams. And then it's got different meanings behind different flowers. So I like to keep these in a sort of folder of shadows, but my plan eventually is to sort of scrapbook them into a larger book of shadows. So, oh, where to go? Okay, we'll do the little pouch. So what's here? So much to look at this month. Okie dokie. So this is a piece of moonstone. Moonstone is a gentle feminine stone of inner strength, intuition and growth. A stone which calms emotions and heightens intuition, can be an excellent aid to peaceful sleep and prophetic dreams. So let's have a look. This is a very lovely piece. I really like stones that have got inclusions, so yeah, really nice. Really, really lovely. Excellent stuff. Oh, and I've just seen another little bag here. Let's have a look. So this is blue lace agate bracelet. Wear this calming bracelet to raise your vibration and encourage positivity, tranquility, harmony and appreciation. Lace agate is so beautiful. It's really, really delicate. And I'm going to pop that on straight away. Let's take that one off. Really lovely. And it's on a good quality elastic, so it's going to last you a long time. And they are natural chips, but they have sort of softened edges, so they're not uncomfortable to wear at all. Yeah, I'm really pleased with that. Very nice indeed. Ooh. Okay, let's do this one because I can read what it is. So this is a Prophetic Dreams pillow, Witchcraft exclusive, as always. This enchanting pillow contains a relaxing and intuitive blend of lavender and jasmine to encourage restful sleep and prophetic dreams. How are we getting into this? I don't want to break the box unnecessarily. Oh, I can smell it already. So we've got the Witch Casket logo on there, and it is a lovely plush material, really lovely, and oh, it smells so good. Sniff it. It's so lovely. Yeah, really, really nice indeed. And you could put that, it's small enough to carry around with you, or you could put it inside a larger pillowcase. You could put it anywhere that you felt that it would be available to you if you needed it. And I would suggest that while you're not using it, pop it inside something like your underwear drawer, or somewhere where it can, you know, scent your clothes and leave them feeling fresh and lovely as well. Really, really nice, and it's so beautifully made. Very, very nice indeed. Okay, last two things. Oh, nighttime reading bedside book stand. Keep your favourite selection of nighttime reading books, dream journals, etc. close at hand with this enchanting nighttime book stand designed and created exclusively for Witch Casket subscribers. Why am I struggling with opening boxes today? Oh my goodness. Look at these bookends. Oh, lovely. So yeah, so this will slot together like so. That is really, really lovely. And just, they keep surprising me with the things that they come up with. Okay, final thing. Again, we've got this design on the box, really nice. And inside, oh wow. Okay, we have got an amethyst tipped pen that we can use to write in our dream diary. Oh, there we go, just give you a close up. That is fabulous, stunning. Yeah, oh my goodness. Witch Casket, you are spoiling us. Just briefly go back and have a look here. Make sure I didn't miss anything. So again, see, even inside this book, the artwork is just gorgeous. Right, bedtime book stand, bewitching dream journal, amethyst topped journaling pen, amethyst encouraging deep, restful and healing sleep, the bedtime witch's brew, prophetic dream pillow, moonstone, tumbled stone with information card, prophetic dreams candle kit, blue lace agate chip bracelet, bewitching bat enamel pin, Witch Casket exclusive, flowers in dreams parchment scroll, magic of the night monthly manifestations art print. And there you have it. This is just, oh, I mean, just look at those together. Beautiful, perfect. I am so extremely happy with this month's casket. Yeah, so I hope that you have enjoyed watching me unbox this as well. As always, details of how to get your own witch casket will be down below and also at the end of the video. Do check them out. I have been getting caskets now for just over a year. I started in June of last year and I have not been disappointed. There's not been a single month where I've thought I didn't get my money's worth. I really, really enjoy getting the caskets, using the items in the casket, and of course sharing them with you as well. So I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Please do let me know down below in the comments what was your favourite thing from this month's casket. I think for me it's the dream journal. It's just, yeah, it's perfectly my colours. but yeah, really, really lovely. So yes, thank you to Witch Casket for making these gorgeous kits. I will always say I'm not sponsored or affiliated. I buy these with my own money. I am going to leave this here. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Please do remember to support the channel by liking, sharing, subscribing, become a member of the Crafty Coven. And I will see you in the next one. Stay crafty.